JD from ZN Consulting, and in this video we will talk about directions of influence. Directions of influence is a technique used for identifying and analyzing stakeholders in your project. This can be used to identify the direction from which the stakeholder can influence the project. The directions are namely sidewards, downwards, outwards, and upwards. Let us go through all the directions to understand the stakeholders around us. Imagine yourself to be the project manager in a project. Towards your sidewards are your peer project managers and leads from communities of practice. They are in a way stakeholders. You compete for resources with your peer project managers and sometimes you borrow resources from them. You also do take assistance from communities of practice when you need help on specific skills for specific situations. Towards your downwards are the project team members. They are for sure stakeholders of the project as they are the ones who come up with project deliverables. Outwards to the project, you have customers, government, and vendors. Customers are your stakeholders as they are the ones who give the requirements. Governments can impact your project through regulations and compliance requirements. Vendors are also stakeholders as they also contribute to the project deliverables. Upwards to your project are your sponsors and senior leadership. Like your project sponsor, your program manager, and the steering committee, their decisions do impact the project and hence they can be considered as stakeholders. And just like that, you can assess the impact of the stakeholders based on the direction from which they influence the project. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Please check our certification prep courses to strengthen your project management career. Or if you want to specialize in Agile, please check our Scrum and Agile courses. Thank you.